Welcome to IT practical class. Today I discuss the practical number 10. What is the importance of entrepreneurship in our society? So there are some points. Number 1 point is entrepreneurs create new businesses. Path-breaking offerings by entrepreneurs in the form of new goods and services result in new employment which can produce a cascading a circle, virtuous circle in the economy. The simulation of related businesses or sector that support the new venture add to further economic development. For example, a few IT companies founded the Indian IT industry in the 90s as a back-end programmers hub. Soon the industry gathered pace in its own programmers domain. But more importantly, millions from other sector benefited from it. Number second point is entrepreneurs add to national income. Entrepreneurial ventures literally generate new wealth. Existing business may remain confined to the scope of existing markets and may hit the glass ceiling in terms of income. New and improved offerings, products, or technologies from entrepreneurs enable new markets to be developed and new wealth created. Third point is entrepreneurs also create social change. Through their unique offerings of new goods and services, entrepreneurs break away from tradition and indirectly support freedom by reducing dependence on obsolete systems and technologies. Overall, this results in an improved quality of life, greater moral and economic freedom. And at last, point is community development. Entrepreneurs regularly nurture entrepreneurial ventures by other like-minded individuals. They also invest in community projects and provide financial support to local charities. That's all. Thank you.